shadow palette. Okay, and I'm using a gold one. Wait a minute. I know. Here. Excuse me. Excuse me. One more time. Okay, I don't know if this works.